In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust your Stripe settings to prevent failed payments on subscriptions. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Stripe dashboard and which options to turn on so more subscription payments succeed automatically, with fewer manual interventions from your team. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard and open Settings. From there, navigate to Billing, then choose Subscriptions and Emails. This page is the control center for how Stripe handles recurring payments, dunning, and customer notifications. If your layout looks a little different, use the search bar in Settings and look for Subscriptions and Emails. Once you are on the right page, you are ready to make a few high-impact changes. Start by enabling Smart Retries. This feature uses Stripe's machine learning to retry failed charges at the times they're most likely to succeed rather than retrying on a fixed schedule. It factors in signals like bank behaviors and previous payment patterns, which can materially improve recovery rates. Make sure the retry logic is set to smart rather than a manual cadence. And save your changes. This one switch can reduce involuntary churn without any extra work from you or your customers. Next, set up emails to notify customers. Still on the Subscriptions and Emails page, look for the customer email settings related to subscription events and failed payments. Turn on the options to email customers when a payment fails, when a payment requires additional authentication, and when a card is about to expire. Clear, timely messages prompt customers to fix issues before a renewal date is missed. Take a moment to customize the subject lines and body text so they match your brand voice and clearly explain what action is needed. Use the preview to confirm everything looks good. If you use a customer portal, include a link so customers can update their payment method in just a few clicks. Finally, set up automatic collection updates for credit card issues. Enable the option that automatically updates saved cards when the card is reissued or replaced, so you don't lose payments to outdated details. Also confirm that Stripe will automatically attempt to collect any outstanding invoice as soon as a customer updates their card. Together, these settings let Stripe recover more payments in the background while customers receive clear prompts only when needed. That's it. With smart retries on, customer emails enabled, and automatic collection updates configured, you've put Stripe to work, preventing failed subscription payments and reducing involuntary churn. Thanks for watching.